First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it looks nice, feels nice outdoors, but it's not going to last, at least not in the short term. Now, as we look down the stretch, as you saw with that 7-day trend, we are going to ramp things back up for the weekend. But between now and then, we're going to have to take another hit of winter-like weather. It will be short term, but it's to let you know that winter's not really done yet. Here's a look at First Alert, live Doppler radar. We're all clear and sunny and a nice 62 degrees right now in Bowling Green. Checking temperatures around the Mesonet network, we're mainly low to mid 60s. Even now starting to see some upper 60s back to the west of us. 67 the current temperature right now at the Greenville site there in Muhlenberg County as far as the Mesonet sites go. 64 Russellville and Franklin. You see 63 up in E-Town. There's a 64 up in Hardinsburg. 65 Calhoun. Look at that. 68 Madisonville. So I think we're going to easily at most locations this afternoon top 70 degrees, and in some cases maybe even get into the low to mid 70s before the afternoon is over. And that is being aided by southwesterly winds at 10 to 15, close to 20 miles per hour. Those winds will be breezy, but they will be warm breezes as we go through the rest of the afternoon. As we look live down Scottsville Road, all is sunny. We are looking good here, and 65 degrees current temperature in Bowling Green with the wind out of the south-southwest coming in at 6 miles per hour. Fairly dry dew point at 48, which means here near the surface things are very dry. We may see some clouds approaching later today, but that is mid and upper level moisture in advance of that weather system that I'll be talking about in just a minute. Glasgow, you're seeing a sunny sky, just a few high, thin, puffy clouds, 64 degrees currently. From our AAA Systems weather cam in Munfordville and Hart County, you're at 63 degrees there. In Litchfield, up in Grayson County, you're sunny, current temperature at 62. In Mammoth Cave National Park, seeing some of those high, thin clouds right now. 64 is your current temperature. 64 at the airport at this hour. In fact, look at the 70s now starting to move up the Atlantic seaboard. 72 in Richmond, Virginia, while just up the road in Washington, D.C., it's only 55. 61 in Knoxville, 72 in St. Louis. But you see just a little bit north of Kansas City and St. Louis, that's where the colder air is now starting to move in behind that system that is going to be affecting us over the next 24 hours. Right now, we're pacing 11 degrees warmer than midday yesterday. But enjoy it while you can, because it's going to drastically change as we go through time. We're seeing some clouds in advance of our next system. Thicker clouds off to the north and west of us in advance of that cold front that will be pushing through the area as we go through your Wednesday. In fact, in advance of it tonight, we'll not only see cloud cover, but a good chance of scattered showers, possibly even a few rumbles of thunder, and there may even be some small hail. Because what we'll have is a lot of cold air that's aloft or above the system, and it'll be sinking downward. If we get the freezing level down to, say, about 11,000 feet or lower, then we could see some maybe small ice pellets or a little bit of hail that comes down with some of these thunderstorms, but we are not expecting severe weather out of this. Just some rain, maybe some thunder early in the morning. And then during the day tomorrow, as the front passes, the colder air will start to move in, and there may be a brief little period of some wet snowflakes mixing in, but we're not concerned about any accumulation or any issues with that. But it will be colder, as you saw there for Thursday. Mostly sunny, breezy, and warm today. Enjoy that 74, and then 53 tonight with showers and thunderstorms developing sometime after 9-10 o'clock this evening. And then rainy tomorrow morning with temperatures early at 56 to near 60, but temperatures falling through the day down to 22 tomorrow night. And as that precipitation ends, it could end as a few wet snowflakes. A chilly day Thursday at 42, then warming back into the 50s and 60s as we head into the weekend. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.